Welcome to Calver, the Digital Creative School. Yo, what's up? And we're back. Back at it again with the Create Together live stream. All right. Yeah, that was a very nice interview with Israel. I really enjoyed it. By the way, do you guys know this drink here? Bundaberg. It's a ginger drink. It's delicious, scrumptious. What's up, Eric? Welcome to today's stream. We're going to, I got a submission from Wrench today. My shoulders. So Wrench needs some help on a project, so I'm very excited to get into that. We open it up here. Yo, Wrench. Yeah, we're gonna do some stuff. Vistris is also here. What's up? Kilo asks, did you finish the mecha animation? No, it's not finished. I think I'm gonna need at least 2 more days because I wanna. This is a kind of like animation I feel like really polishing. So maybe after we helped Wrench on his submission, maybe we go back to that and yeah, continue working on it. Oh, guys, by the way, also the Discord stream chat should work again. So if you're a student member and you're writing in the stream chat here, it should come up as a text to speech again. Hello, like this.
Calver, the principal said, hello.
Yep, exactly. All right. Yeah, let's get into today's first topic. Shuriken animation from Wrench. All right, let's have it read out.
Wrench said, following up the storyboard, I wanted to make the ninja star and the camera fixed in the same position without losing influence of the track to modifier, also having blood impact if possible. I also couldn't figure out the environment or the art style, could use some tips for this. I also want to know how to make a crack on impact on exactly the place it hit that was in first animation GIF, which I can't find it anymore. At the end, I want to know how you would approach the project.
Alright, okay. So let's see. Shuriken, looks like a shuriken comes into frame, hits a head, and the head falls over. Original idea. Okay, let's open up the Blender file and see what we're working with. Okay, we got shuriken animation and shuriken. And there's also a video here. Ah, I see. I've seen this video of yours before. I like the animation, how the shuriken comes in. It feels very satisfying. Let's open up the project file here. Okay. Okay, so do we have a camera? Yeah, we got this camera. Okay, right now the character's out of the frame. Wait, let me put the interface how I like it. Maybe, did I save it as a preset here? General Calver. Ah yeah, here we go. I am General Calver. Okay, Wrench, I'm a bit confused why this guy is outside of the frame. He's supposed to be in here, right? Like being hit. Let's put put them in place. Ah, okay, yeah, there's a few things we need to do if we want to make this truly interactive. It's incomplete. Okay, it's just incomplete. Alright, alright. How do you reset your view when rotated? Ah, yeah, that problem, right? Like when you exit the camera and it's rotated from the rotation of the camera. I personally always hold down... Oh wait, let me get my screencast thing here up again. Do you have it? No, it doesn't work yet. How's it called? Casca... Doesn't show me the name. Damn it. I want to get my on-screen keyboard buttons working again so you can understand a bit better what I'm doing. Kamak. Ah, okay, it's called Kamak. Let me end that task and start it again. Kamak. Kamak, here we go. Alright, does it work now? Yeah, here we go. Okay. Alright, so yeah, what I usually do to get out of this rotation, I just quickly hold down Alt and then swipe up with middle mouse button. Wait, why doesn't it... Oh shit, this add-on that I installed... Wait, no, it's working now. Okay, it's working. So yeah, just hold down Alt, swipe into any direction to go into orthographic view, and then if you rotate out, it's straight again. Strange that it doesn't show that in my keyboard buttons. Huh. Alright, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna enable the solid view here for now. Okay. So, yeah, I guess let's just do the things that I would do to make this work better. So first of all, when the shuriken hits the head, I would parent it in the moment where it hits the head to the head bone and not animate the shuriken itself anymore. For that, let's remove all the keyframes after this one. Let's just remove these. Boom, so yeah, it sticks there. And then I'm gonna make this armature visible through the guy first, and viewport display as wire and in front, so we can always see it and select it. And then I am going to look at what the name of this is. Probably called, it's Spine 6. Alright, I'm just gonna copy paste that name. And then in the shuriken, wait, what is this empty for? Oh, this is following the line, I see. Okay, so you're just you're animating the rotation of the shuriken with the shuriken itself, and then this object is basically the flying of the shuriken. Okay, cool. So, yeah, in this moment, I'm going to use a constraint to parent it to that bone, because constraints we can animate, but the normal parenting we can't animate. So, let's use child off, and then metarig, and then paste the name Spine 6. And yeah, you might have noticed it jumped somewhere completely else. But if you click set inverse now, it will stay here. Oh, a video file. Cool. The voiceover also is working. That's pretty cool. Stream chat. Let's see. That's the video I just played, I think, right? Oh no, it's a different one. This is how it looks in my file. Alright, let me check it. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, for some reason the character was in a different place than where you put him. Chicken. Alright. Alright, but I guess I'm just gonna continue like this for now, Wrench? I think just the camera is at a different place, right? Mostly? Where's the camera, by the way? Oh, here. Okay. Okay, and this is also tracking the shuriken. Okay, let me hide that. The camera. I'm gonna remove this keyframe, I think. And then we can move it around. I feel like you didn't want the... Oh yeah, more like this, right? Yeah, that's okay. Alright. Okay, so yeah, we basically have it working already. Our child of parent, like our animated parent here. What I would still do, just to be safe, is to animate the influence in and out, because in case you want to animate this character before the shuriken hits him, we're gonna have a problem. So I'm gonna make the influence 1 here, and then move 1 frame to the front and put it at 0. So that way, only when it hits him, it will fully be parented to the head. Alright, let me see what else you wrote in the submission again. Oops. Environment, art style. The ninja style camera fixed in the same position without losing influence of the track and modifier. Also, blood impact if possible. Blood impact. I mean, blood impact I would honestly just put in as stock element, right? Like kind of like getting stock element. I can quickly do that as a example. Because I've got a huge amount of stock. Check this shit out. All my assets. Effects. Video effects. Blood. Alright, and then let's get a good one. Yeah, let's just go with this one. Can I actually drag and drop this? Let's see. Oh, this worked, but it's just empty now, I think. Wait, what is this? I think it's an empty. It's not a real renderable texture. Yeah, it's just an empty. Can we actually convert empties to like plane? Convert to mesh plane? Mission. Oh, it works. That's actually so cool. So you can just drag and drop your footage as an empty, and then with here converting it into a plane. So that's very nice. Okay, so the first thing I would do with this plane is put the empty where the blood comes out. So I'm going to go into edit mode and just move this to this little orange dot, which is the origin of the plane. Yeah. Alright, cool. And then in the animation settings here, we're gonna have it start when it hits the head. So right here. Start frame is frame 20. Yep. Alright, and then we can just place it there. I'm gonna use the face snapping. Oh, that's strange. Let's not use... where was it? Oh yeah, active. There we go. Okay, then we can rotate it to look correct. Scale it. That's very intense. I don't know if this is allowed, if this is too brutal for YouTube. It's also too slow. Yeah, this is actually slow motion. Yeah, let me rotate this to 180 degrees. Oops, no. I need the local transform. 80. And this is also a two-sided face. I want to see it from both sides. Oh, maybe it's actually better to just scale it. To inverse this scale. Then it falls down, yeah. I change the color. Oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, I can just like change the color of the blood, make it blue or something. Alien attack. Hue. But I don't think it's gonna show up in the solid view, anyways. Oops. Overlays. What's this? Quick rigid. Oh, U is quick rigid? I didn't know that. Oh my god, that's so cool. So you can just press U to add active rigid body or passive rigid body. That's very nice. Wait, is that context sensitive for constraints too? So if I do U here. Quick rigid? No, sadly not. Okay, but that's cool. So U adds rigid bodies very quickly. Material view. Alright. Oh, it actually looks pretty good in material view. Okay, let's make it a more PG friendly color. Oh yeah, like light blue is kind of cool. Pew. Okay, the light is pretty dark right now. Let's just add a nice little light onto him with our Light Wrangler add-on. Maybe like something like this. Yeah, sure, why not? Just so we are able to see it a bit better. The dark background is also very hard for the shuriken to see. So maybe we can, I mean, something we could do is make it glow. We could make this outer edge glow. I'm just gonna try that. Whoa, Ninja Star! Yes! Indeed, so ninja. Alright, let's see. Is this a different material? Ah, this is a different material. Okay, so I guess we can just add an emission to this. Yeah, there we go. Ah, but the blue is also not so visible. Oh, we can make it also glow. Yeah, just make everything glow. Can we actually make the playback faster? I don't think we can make the playback faster in Blender itself. Maybe by animating this with a frame. Right, let's try that. Frame. I guess frame, let's see what happens. Then plus 20. Oh, is it minus 20? So it basically, oops. Plus minus. Minus 20 is minus. Is it actually faster? I'm not sure. Let's delete that driver again. Oh, I think it is faster, yeah. I think that did actually work. So to make it like smart, we can actually also copy data path and then minus this data path. Oh, it doesn't work. I guess maybe allow execution. Data path minus. No, that doesn't work. Maybe I need to do this in the full driver editor. Let me see. Driver. Frame. Input variable. Yeah, we need that data. This is kind of like unnecessary, but I want to see if it works. Path. Yeah, okay, so start frame. Does need to be written together. Yeah, okay. So frame minus start frame. There we go. Alright, yeah, now it's fully procedural. Now if we change the start frame, it will still be twice as fast. Okay, so, but I want it to be playing back as twice as fast too. So I need frame times 2 minus. Oh shit! Do I need to make everything times 2? So this and that times 2. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and now we can actually change the speed of the movie by basically changing this value back here. Times 1 is not still twice the speed. But it works. It works. 1.5. Let's actually do 1. 1 is basically twice the speed. I think it works well. Yeah. Alright, good. Dude, you got your blood and it's sticking to the character now. Okay. The other thing was... How far we got that? Let me have a sip of this delicious drink. Alright, the other thing you wrote was... Once we got that. Also couldn't figure out... Oh, something... Wait, a little trick with the blood here. To make it more three-dimensional, you can actually just duplicate it and rotate it into other directions. Okay, maybe not the same one. Maybe we need to use the second one because it's kind of like... It looks pretty repetitive. But yeah, it will feel more three-dimensional if you have like multiple cards going off into different directions. I guess it still kind of works. It's not too obvious duplicated. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I'm already gonna save this. Calva v2. Alright, and you wanted... Couldn't figure out the environment or the art style. Could you use some tips for that? Okay, environment and art style. I mean, I'm also personally not a great person for art style because I also rely a lot on like already made models and textures. So I don't really exactly have my own art style except for like the minimalistic stuff that I've done in the past. So, I mean, right now it's going into like a neon look art style, which you could just lean into. You could just like make this more like a neon scene with a lot of glowing objects and colors. Environment. To create a crack on impact on exactly the place it hits. That was in the first animation GIF. A crack on the impact rate as it hits the floor. Yeah, we got that. But I mean, the character animation and the camera animation can definitely be more intriguing, right? For example, the character animation there would be, there's definitely potential to like have some bounce to all of this. And also while we're at it, maybe we can just add a wiggle to these to this armature. So when like one thing animates, the rest also animates. Is that part of my Blender already? Let me check. Add-ons, wiggle. Okay, no wiggle. Is it available for extensions? Wiggle. No wiggle. Let me quickly Google for the wiggle add-on. Blender wiggle 2 add-on. Wiggle 2. Yes, exactly. Bones can collide with specific measure collection. It's response friction, bounce. Okay, that's perfect. So we can like have him feel like he's falling onto the ground. Okay, where can we download it? I guess we just download this. Add-ons. Install from disk. Downloads. Wiggle. Here we go. Okay, did it work? No. Maybe it's not compatible with the new Blender version. That would be sad because it's a really good add-on. That's sad, yeah. Doesn't seem... Oh, wait. Oh, maybe this is it. Start from disk. Download. Wiggle 2. Ah, here we go. Now we got it. Okay. Wiggle 2. I'm gonna post the link to this in the chat, so you can also get it. It's a very cool add-on to add secondary motion. Alright, cool. So we got wiggle now. Now we should be able to enable it. Animation.
Erik Svetboy Said, Calver the Principal.
Sagt einfach Calver the Principal.
Erik Svetboy Said, hahaha.
Erik the Sweet Boy. Yes. So sweet. Oh, here it is. Wiggle 2. Okay, scene muted.
Erik the Svetboy Said, Erik the Svetboy.
Sweat Boy. The sweatshop boy. Alright, cool. We got some... Okay, we got the wiggle stuff here now. Let's see. How much scene? Bone. Okay. So. Bone tail. Bone head. Bone tail. Let's see. Whoa.
Erik the Svetboy Said, I totally forget that I changed my name in the TTS boat.
I totally forget that I changed my name in the TTS boat. Sounds so funny. Alright, so we got it working here. Let me see if we can just like enable it for all of these. Hell yeah. Alright, perfect. Collision. We can also add a collision. Boom, boom. Mesh. Wait, when he rotates, he's rotating on his pelvis. My friend Carl is leaving. Just waved him goodbye. Goodbye, my friend. Okay, so I guess I'll just stick with your animation for now. So I'm gonna put this here. Or should I fix it? Because usually, like when he gets hit, he should not rotate on his hip, but like on his foot, right? Like he should fall over like this. Maybe I'll just change that because that's how it should be. Okay, so. Or maybe you did because there was no bone down here. Then let us add a bone so we can animate it. Okay, so let's go into edit mode. And then, actually, let me put the cursor here where the root of the object is. And then in edit mode, just add a bone with Shift A. And then I'm gonna basically put this at 0. Yeah, put this at 0, and then on the y-axis forward, like that. And then I'm going to parent this bone to this new root bone with Control P. Keep offset. And now we can, yeah, we can animate him from down here. All right. Okay, so he gets hit, and then you have a keyframe here, and then he's falling over like that, 90 degrees minus. Alright, something we also want to do is have the acceleration, or like have no deceleration at the end here. Alright, change this to individual centers, and then we can scale it down to 0.1. And this, I'm going to scale down, so like he accelerates a lot. It feels a little cartoonish right now, but I think that's fine. Okay. Yeah, and I'm also gonna enable, like, yeah, enable collision on all of these bones here. Gonna make all of these wiggle bones stood. Actually, I want to see if we can just have like a full-on collision simulation with the wiggle bones. That would be very cool. Bum, all this whole back, boom tail, collision, this thing. Whoa, he just fell over. What the hell? What the hell is happening? What the hell? He's completely has no bones. Reset physics? Yeah, why is he like so dead right now? Reset physics. Reset physics, so maybe just like disable it for now. Why is his head huge? What the hell is happening? What the hell? Oh wait, okay. Scale. This edit is so fun. Okay, but I guess we need more global physics. How do we do this now? Maybe actually I'm gonna just disable the physics on these here for now. So they're not wiggling, they're like completely just like flailing around. So okay, let's start from the beginning. So the head. Alright, let's try that. So reset physics, bone tail. Okay, it's just like flopping down. That's not how it should be. Yeah. Yeah, he should stand up like that. And what about this one? Okay, this one just falls down for some reason. I'm really not sure why that is happening. He should have more strength. Maybe it's the collision? Oh. It's the collision? Collision object. Okay. So that works. Okay, let me enable it For the hands again, for the arms. And disable the physics. Huh. Okay. I don't know whether this is like behaving a little bit different than usual. Like usually it's like bouncy and stuff. Physics, no loop physics. I wanted some fun secondary mosh, but now it's like kind of like weird. It's being weird and not fun. Yeah, because it's not acting how I thought it should. They have the same settings, but this one is, yeah, wiggling, and this one... Oh, this one's wiggling now too. Yeah, what's the deal? This collision definitely has something to do with it, because as soon as I add a collision, it's not wiggling anymore, it's just like flopping. Maybe that's just how the collision works. Physics chain. Alright, so that means... Okay. Okay, it's working, but just without the collision. Like if I add the collision to it, it's not working as it should. Yeah, this is breaking it. Okay, so I guess I'm not using the collision for now then. Just adding secondary motion without collision. Boop. Yeah, okay, this is fun. Oh no! Oh yeah, no, it can't have that stuff. Oh shit, so monstrous. Oh, okay, no collision, sorry, forgot about that. Bomb. Okay, maybe not for this one. What is this doing anything for you, Wrench? Is this what you were looking for? It looks so funny to me. You got more ideas? Alright, nice, nice. Okay, do you like these physics that I added, or would you rather live without them? You like them? Okay, nice, nice, nice. Oh shit. Whoop. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, so I liked the arm physics. Those are pretty cool. Boom. And the top of the head, I think, was also... Yeah. Yeah, that's a little bit of good detail. And maybe also the legs. Let's see how that looks. It doesn't really add anything. Okay, we can definitely add more. Okay, right now we have the animation of the head on the top one. We can probably add a little bit more with the neck animation here. So in the moment where it hits, I'm gonna add one more here. And then it's gonna move a little bit more to the back. And then back to where it was. Yeah. Yeah. And I think I'm also gonna try to touch the camera a little bit. So yeah, this feels pretty cool, and then when he falls down, I think this influence can go from a little bit higher, like that, and also camera could move a little bit, like whoa, like down here maybe. Oops, I didn't add a keyframe. Well, that feels kind of interesting with like the camera falling down with the character. Oh. Yeah, it feels pretty interesting, I think. Boom. It's too bad the collision doesn't work for the wiggle bones, because that would add a lot if we had like real impact with the floor here. So I'm not super sure how to take that. Oh, actually, you know what would be cool if this was
Wrench said,
water.
Yeah, I was going for that look.
Nice, nice. Okay. We could actually add some extra impact here, or like animation on these, on the arms here. So when like it impacts, like the arms flail around a little bit. So we have a little bit of a foreground element. So let's add a keyframe here and here. And then he like throws up his arms or something. Let's see if that works. Okay, now this is pretty strange. I'm gonna get rid of this again. Can you? Yeah, my idea was that instead of having this being a solid floor, it could be water. That way, we would also solve the problem of it not interacting with the floor, but like adding like a water simulation or a splash. Let's just try that, shall we? So that means when this thing hits, like it stops completely, and then like as water happens, right, like it starts to sink down a little bit to the back, I guess, and also a little bit continuing that rotation. Okay, it can be much slower. Yeah, that could work. Okay, let's try adding a water simulation now. I haven't done so much water simming in Blender before, because I've only used the Flip Fluids add-on, because it was much faster than the built-in one. But let's see if we can actually make the built-in one work for us. Okay, so fluid, this is Factor, I would say. Collision, yes. Does this have the... okay, that seems fine. Okay, so this, we extrude it downwards like that. Just like a little bit of water. Actually, let's make it smaller, just as big as it needs to be, because water simulation takes a long time. Actually, I'd like to make it even smaller. Really don't want to wait for ages here for water to simulate. So like, almost like a little bathtub he falls into, maybe. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, let's invert the normals here, like that. I think there was like a quicker way to do that. Object, body, quick effects, quick liquid. Yeah, okay. Well, this is actually pretty fast. Wow, this is actually really fast. Did they update it? What the hell? How is it so fast? Okay, so this is the domain. Actually, I wanted the other way around. Oh, no, wait. I want the domain to be... like, yeah, I want it to splash up. So this is my fluid. So that means I need another version of this. That's not fluid. That is the bathtub, basically. Wait, why is it wired? Why is this still in the wire view? Display as solid. But it's not. Okay, let me just add a new cube here. Oh, everything is... oh, okay, the whole thing is wire view, that's why. Okay. The whole thing was wire view. So I should be able to just duplicate this. Not have this flow, but effector, collision, yes. That means I need no top face. And this needs to be textured, yes. And then I need to invert these faces, I'm thinking. Okay, that doesn't work yet. Okay, why doesn't it work yet? Collision. Surface thickness, maybe? Ah, there we go. Okay. Bloop. Oh, it didn't do much. Oh, is there like a magical number that I need in here? 5. Because either it like spills out completely, or it's like overrunning. Maybe I just need a solidify modifier on this. Solidify. Make it a bit thicker. Alright, that's cool. Yeah. It's kind of annoying that this volume is like always disappearing in front of me, appearing in front of me. Let's make this a bit higher. Ooh, now it's flowing over, which is not a bad thing. It's actually kind of cool. Okay, yeah, but we need a lot more data in this for it to feel. Flip. Okay, it's got flip. What is uppick? Interesting. Flip. All right. Resolution. Let's do ×2. Alex asks, any camera add-on you'd recommend specifically for animation? I've never used any camera add-ons. I've always just used the standard Blender camera and just used constraints and stuff to animate it in specific ways. So I don't really have any recommendation for that. Okay, so I want this to only animate when he's falling, or like simulate, because we don't need everything that's happening before. So let's see. He's falling. Basically here. Start 41. Let's do 40, I guess. Okay, I think we need this to be a bit faster in the end. It's not interacting much with the water at all right now. Or maybe I need more surface thickness. Let's see. What about add camera rig add-on that comes with Blender? Do you have use cases for it or no? I've never used it. I don't know. I've never used any camera rigs inside of Blender. Okay, it's not making anything splashy. Maybe we need some more sub-steps here to like make it realize the collision. I don't know, guys. This doesn't seem to do much. Maybe it's also like a setting in this. I don't want to collect with the top here. Because the bottom also doesn't need to be simulated. Flip. Let's try the other one again. Let's just see what happens. Oh, it just disappears. Okay. Bye-bye. Wait, it's always disappearing now. Oh, because of the bottom, I'm guessing, right? Yeah, okay. It's not splashing. I wanted to splash and stuff. Let me just enable all of these things here. Why not? Oh yeah, now we got some splash particles, but the body itself is not. It's not doing much. It's sad. I wanted to like splash the water away. Breakers. Alex says, check scale if I learned something from Blender. If it's not working properly, it's not using the right scale of calculation. Alright. So if basically the scaling is all at one, right? Okay, it's not. So yeah, let's apply the scale of that. Let's apply the scale of this. And then let's see again. Okay, it didn't change much. I don't know, guys. I mean, I would say let's delete the fluid from this guy and just see if we, just to test, if we like drop in just a cube, if that will do anything. Scale. So I'm gonna animate this guy going into the water very quickly. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, I need to add not rich body fluid. Effector, collision, yes. Okay, not doing much. Let's increase the surface. Yeah, I mean, it's not doing much, honestly. It's not giving me any kind of like cool splash. A little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's doing it a little bit. Yeah. It's doing it a little bit. I don't know. I'm not sure if this is doing the right thing or not. But yeah, I think the body actually did do something. Effector, collision, let's do 2. And this, and then just like increase the resolution here by 2 again. Let's see what it gives us. So this should take a lot longer to calculate. Let's see. Alex says, weird. Also, have you thought about using a proxy model might make the calculation a bit faster? Yeah, but honestly, I didn't see a big difference when I was using the cube as a test. Didn't seem to like impact the calculation that much. Oh wait, now we're actually seeing some stuff here. We actually see some water being sprayed up from the body impact. Yeah, I think we're getting it now. Yeah. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do first though is I'm gonna bake the wiggle body, the wiggle bones animation, so it's stable, so it stays the same. Wiggle bones. Okay, how do I bake it? Wiggle bake. Oh, okay. Bake wiggle. Okay, let's see. I hope it doesn't do the liquid simulation in the background now, because that seemed to be like a thing with Blender sometimes, that also when exporting FBX or something, like even if you just export selected, it's still playing back the whole scene and not just what you are exporting. So I feel like that's happening right now, because baking these wiggle bones shouldn't take this long. I think it's baking this the water simulation at the same time. Yo, Splash is looking good. Hell yeah. Okay, so I've got no idea how long this is gonna take, so I'm just gonna close it and open up the last autosave. Because usually it's autosaving very regularly. Let's Let's see, what is the last one we got? Okay. Autosave 39. Yeah, that's 2 minutes ago. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to disable the physics simulation for now. So the playback is fast. Yeah. Playback is fast. And then I'm going to bake these wiggle bones. Ah, shit, my add-on got deactivated. Wiggle. Yes. This is still... Oh yeah, it did save the settings. Perfect. Okay. Okay, bake wiggle. Now it should... Yeah, it's basically instant. Okay. Oh, but it didn't... Oh shit, didn't bake it properly. Not with the animation we had. So what do we need? Override. Connection fix animation to armature into... Yes, okay. Alright, there we go. Now it's doing some weird movement in the beginning. I think I need the pre-roll because of that. So pre-roll, let's do 20 frames. Current animation. And here we go. Oh, what? It's not doing the pre-roll. Okay. I mean, I guess I can also just remove the keyframes from the beginning. Okay, I guess I'm just deleting the keyframes that are happening at the beginning here. Alright, cool, so we got that. And now let's go back to the water simulation. Let's turn it on again. Let's go to frame 40 where it starts. And yeah, let's simulate it. Let's bake it. 40 to... What's this button? Markers frame range. Create markers for the interactive frame range. Okay, I don't know about that. Alright, and frame 72. Open VDB. Type replay, I guess. Open VDB, okay. Binary object. I guess all that is fine. Okay, let's bake it. Where's the bake button? Where's the bake button for this, or do I just need to play it back and that's basically baking it? Let's see. Oh yeah, the arm hitting the water looks pretty good. I don't think it exists anymore. Ah, okay. So just playing it back basically bakes it. It's gonna take a moment. What do you guys want to talk about? What's happening? Anyone down joining the voice chat? Let me Elgato. Oh, someone's here. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, Elgato Stream Deck. I got this Stream Deck last week, and it's pretty fun actually. It's very cool. But I have the wrong. Can I edit this? Oh, I need to authorize. Okay, 1 second. Authorize. Okay, live stream new. There we go. Cool, cool. I can see on my stream deck who is in the live stream channel, but only like very small. You can barely make it out. There's static. Okay, that's not cool. Dynamic is cooler. Yeah, I guess that's fine. All right, cool.
Hello.
Hello, what's up?
Okay.
Yo, Wrench, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
That's nice. Do you like the do you like the splash? the water stuff?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, cool. We got it simulated now. Is that in Cage now? Like, can I scroll through it? Yeah, seems so. It's not playing back very quickly, but it seems to work. Modular. All. Replay. Oh shit, did I break it? Oh no, did it delete the bake? Or did it even create it? I'm not sure. Wait, let me... Okay, so the cage is here. Okay, nothing is in here. Let me check that again. So if I play it back, will it create its... Oh yeah, it is creating it. Yeah, it actually is creating VDBs. Yeah, so I guess playing it back is caching it. Ah, cool. It's kind of strange that, because when I just did it, it didn't, like, the frame start. Before that it was just the cube, but I wanted to be the water, obviously, even if it didn't start simulating it. Wrench, is there, like, when we finish with this water, is there anything else that you would like to know how to do something for your animation? You're muted, by the way, in case you're trying to tell me. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, honestly, the new simulation system is not that bad. I always used Flip Fluids, this add-on on Blender Market to simulate water, but the new built-in one doesn't seem half bad. It's also much faster than it used to be. Let me actually check if it's multi-core now, if it's using my cores. Oh, it is totally multi-core. Yeah, it's using all of them. Very cool. All 64 cores! Okay, almost done. Here we go. Okay, cool. So we got that. Let's see if we can actually render this with the spray and everything. Because I don't think I've... Oh, don't play it anymore. It's fine. Just like give me one of these frames here where his arm crashes in. Yeah, something like that. Alright, let's see if we can actually render all these splashes, because I have not done that before, rendering like spray and stuff like that. Is there some help for this already? Let me see. shader, liquid domain material. Is there already something set up? Glass and volume. Okay, let's just see how it looks. Oops, that's not good. All right, let's have this not being rendered. Okay, cool. Okay, so it's not rendering the splashes. How to render splashes? Volume absorption, glass. Okay, let me actually look at a tutorial for that. Blender, water, simulation, render, splash. Or I guess render particles? Where is it? Oh, you can simulate sand now? That would be cool. I mean, it can't be that complicated, right? Like we gotta have it here somewhere. Or is it like a geometry nodes thing? Spray. Oh wait. Particle system. Liquid, spray, render, halo. Okay. So it's set everything up, but I gotta, I guess, give it its own material. It's all using the same material, which doesn't work. Spray. Halo. Is Halo even supported still? Halo was like, I used it a lot in the Blender render like back in the day, but I don't think you can, I don't think Halo actually does anything. Oh, it's how it shows it in the viewport, okay. So I guess the spray needs to be, is it line geometry? No, line is not a geometry. Path is also not geometry. Object is geometry, but we gotta create an object for that to like use it as an instance object. Alright, let's do that. Okay, little icosphere. Very low resolution. Call it spray. Spray. Okay. To make it much smaller. And also smooth. Okay, I've got no idea what kind of material spray should have. I'm guessing it should be pretty rough, but transparent. Like transmissive, I guess. Okay, yeah, sure, why not? Okay, can we use this for the other ones too? For foam and bubbles. Let's just do it. Spray. Oh wait, I gotta change it from Halo to object. Oh what? The bubbles are making it so much darker. I guess because there are a lot of bubbles. Okay, I guess bubbles need a different shader. I'll try something out about that later. Hello. Oh no. Okay, hello. Foam. Okay, let's try give the spray also to the foam. Okay, nice. spray, foam, bubbles. Let's just do none for those bubbles. Okay. Let's make it a little bit bigger again. Spray. It's probably too big. Yeah, okay. So we've got a bunch of stuff flying around now. Let's just see how a frame of this rendered looks like with motion blur and stuff. Oh, what? It doesn't show anything. Why the hell not? Oh, my PC is freaking lagging. Even though I've got 2 GPUs. Is it faster if I use the other one? Is my PC still gonna lag then? Yeah, still lagging. Okay. I guess I gotta end the stream soon. It's almost 20. But yeah, let me try to like at least figure out how to render this, because for some reason it's not rendering. Oh, because of this. Why is that? Why would that be the standard? Mesh. Final, yes. Viewport display? I don't know. Okay. But oh yeah, there was like one object hidden here. This thing. Let's just put that in. I don't know what this was for. I'll just put it in the old collection. And let's see if it renders. Hell yeah, it renders. Oh my god, those samples are freaking high. And I also think the resolution. Let me see if I can lower that a little bit, so just so we don't have to wait for hours. Oh, that's probably why my PC is lagging. So with the denoise, it tries to like denoise a huge image. Oh, yeah, it's 4K. Okay, let's just do 25% of that. And also samples, let's just do by 10? No. Yes? 410? Sure, let's try it. Oops, did I cancel the render? Oh, the guy is also not visible. Okay, wait, let me enable the guy. Because he's in reference. Okay, we're gonna render reference this time. Why not? I'm not seeing. Is there motion blur on these particles? I think so. Oh my god, this is so grainy. It's probably because of the caustics. It's like the reflective caustics and stuff. I guess let me disable that too so we can render it faster. Oops. It's gonna get rendered here so we can see the improvement directly. Let's... where was that? Performance? Persistent data is always useful. Light paths. Ah, yeah, here. Reflective. Refractive. Ah, then it's super dark. Oh no. So I guess we need refractive for water then. Or can we change the shader so it looks also better without it? Principled. Transmission. I guess we could cheat something like this, just to not make it look like water, like something else, so it renders faster. Some tar. He falls into some tar. Actually, let me reuse this on the particles too. That could actually look pretty cool. Interesting. Wait, it still has the particles still have the transparent texture. What? Really? Let me actually make them a little bit higher resolution because like it's pretty obvious there. Low resolution right now. Smoothness, let's make it smooth. Okay. Oh, it seems to be... Oh, it seems to be correct, yeah. Okay. Then... Transmission... Yeah, let's try this. Okay, let's see how it looks. Oh, still so much noise. I'm kind of surprised that it's so noisy. I'm really not sure why. It's extremely noisy. Maybe there's some lights that are hidden in the viewport that become visible when starting to render. So yeah, it shouldn't be this difficult to render that. The frame in this. Or maybe there's like some ludicrous values here. Refractive definitely makes it look more detailed. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep them enabled. Didn't seem to make such a big difference. But what is making it render so slow? I really don't get that. Disable the world here. Yeah, it's so extremely noisy. I don't get it. Sorry, man. I don't know why it's so noisy. Why it can't render faster. Does the light tree make any difference? No. This also doesn't change anything. Okay, this is making it faster. Maybe let's lower this value so the transmission doesn't go crazy. This seems to be a big... Yeah, this seems to be a big part of it. Okay, let's just go with 4 then. Okay, yeah, let's keep it like this, and then I'll just activate both GPUs so we can render at least one image. Okay, here we go. Acceleration structure. Okay, now it's better again. Now it's actually rendering. Okay, yeah, let's wait out this one render, this one frame. It's taking forever. But it looks kind of interesting. Guys, this is a really unacceptably long render time. Usually when I work on stuff, I usually never have more than 2 minutes for a frame. And there's not even much in this frame. I really don't get why the render time is so insane. I don't get it. And it seems like there's no motion blur on the particles, which is really sad. Go, 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 render, go! Alright guys, we already did it. Almost did it. Almost finished one frame. Okay. I don't know why this took so long. Why did this take so long? I don't get it. But yeah, here we go. 55%. Yeah. Okay, Wrench, I'm gonna send this back to you. You can see what you... Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm gonna put all the particle stuff, the simulation in one collection, so you can disable it if you don't want to look at it, because it's also very intense for the computer. Liquid domain. Yeah, I'll put this in a collection. Liquid. And then if we disable this, we can live in real time again, right? Yeah. All right. All right, Wrench. So yeah, make sure that you look at the liquid collection here, so you can use it or not use it. There's still some stuff that doesn't properly work with it, so maybe you'll figure it out. But yeah, I wouldn't bother too much with simulation. It's simulation is a tough road to hell. Takes so much time to simulate something correctly. All right, okay, I'll send this back to you. And for everyone else, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. I hope you have a great weekend. And yeah, next week is gonna continue like continue like this, but we're gonna do the Valorant course. So I'm gonna show you how to create Valorant animations from start to finish. And I might also give away or like give you access to my Valorant Blender collection, because I have a whole collection from all the Valorant assets, characters ready to use, because I did so much with them back in the day. So yeah, I'll probably give you access to those too at the end of the course. All right. Have a great weekend. Ciao, ciao.